Hi friends, welcome to another video. This one's going to be fun because it's going to be like a craft project. If you have a goal at all to reach a certain thing, this can go for really anything. I checked the scale and it was like 155.8 and I was like, oh my gosh, are you kidding me? I have not been able to get below 157 for the longest time. I tried everything and I just couldn't do it. Apparently, obviously not everything, because I mean, people will lose weight if they do certain things and I just didn't do them. So I got down to 155.8 and I was like, yes, I'm so stoked. I was like totally motivated and like totally pumped up, and then life happened and I drank a lot of soda. Yeah, that was not smart for me at all. And it caught up to me. I checked my scale yesterday and it was at 159.8. Basically 160. So I was like, oh, you gotta be kidding me. I gained all that weight, and I mean, may not sound like a lot to some people, but for me it was a lot because I got so excited that I got down to 155.8. I was like, oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding me. I actually lost some weight. I was so happy. So I decided I'm going to do this really cool craft project, and I'm going to incorporate a white poster board, and I got this for like 40 something cents at Target, and then some fun thick washi tape, and of course markers and stuff. And I'm going to put starting weight on the very top left, and I'm going to put 160 just to like mark it up to what it's like 159.8. It's pretty much 160. I mean, I did check later on in the day. It said 160. I mean, that happens because you eat and drink. So, but I am going to put a goal for 5 pounds per square that I do, because I think 5 pounds is a little bit more attainable versus 10 pounds weight loss or even bigger. So I'm going to do 155 for my first goal. And then I'm going to go to 150, and then I'm going to mark it off with a big X if I beat it. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to do every 5 pounds on here, like 160 is where I start, 155 is my next goal, 150 is the goal after that, and then 145, and then till I get to where I want to be. And my goal range is about like 135. For my height, it's not bad at all. It's comfortable, and I'm still slim, and I want to build muscle and tone up and stuff because I have 3 kids. So there's some toning that needs to get done. But so yeah, I'm gonna do that. So come along with me while I make this, and you can do this for anything. Like I can also make another one for my subscriber count. Make my next goal, you know, an extra 1,000 subscribers or something, you know, or extra 500 subscribers, just to start kind of smaller and then just build my way up until I get to like my goal for the year or something. So you can definitely do that for really anything, but I'm going to do it for my weight because I'm trying to get down to like around 135 and be toned, you know, healthy, happy, fit, and toned. All right, guys, so let's get to crafting.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. Touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused. Turning gold into sand, don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you turn touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you, and all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you. Ooh, it sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do, what I am trying to do, what I am trying to do is say I love you.
Alright, so basically that's all it is. It's just this. I like the idea of the numbers being big and just very there because I feel like it's a good reminder every day to work hard for the next goal. Okay, so for every obstacle that I beat, I'm going to exit out. So once I get down to 155, I'm going to cross off the 160. Then once I get to 150, I'll cross off the 155 and then go on till I get to here. This is the awesome ultimate goal. And then of course, once I get to this point, I'm going to get rid of all my old clothes and I'm going to go shopping. Doesn't that sound fun? I think that's a great reward. I need to get all new everything. So I think that'll be really fun. And I really do like the fact that the numbers are big and bold because it is a nice reminder every day to keep going for the next goal. Because if it's just small, it's not going to stand out as much. And then I might just kind of go into my bad habits of drinking soda and eating junk food. So yeah, I'm going to be putting this on one of the doors in my bedroom, just as a good reminder. So when I get up in the morning, I will see this and it will definitely get me started on the right path each day to hopefully eat and drink healthier and maybe work out too. I do like to work out almost every day. So I think that will definitely help me with the reminder. And I'll just decorate too because it looks kind of boring and plain right now. So I'm probably going to bedazzle it a little bit more. But I think this is a really fun way to get your goals started and hopefully help me achieve them. All right, you guys, thank you so much for coming along. I hope that this was a fun craft for maybe you guys to try out too if you guys have any goals you want to achieve as well. And stay tuned for more videos. If you have not yet, definitely like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends. And I'll see you guys again around my next video. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye! Hi, friends. Welcome to another video. Really? Hi, friends. Can you take him, please? Just take him real quick. Hi, friends. I knew that was going to happen. That's why I didn't say anything after. Hi, friends. Hi, Riley.
What are you doing?
Hi, friends. It's going to be the bloopers.
Try to get past that one screen and see if it continues.
I have to say hi, friends. I always do every time. Hi, friends.
Try to get by it though, just see.
Hi, friends. I can't. How am I supposed to get by when he does it when I say friends? Hi, friends. Welcome to. I think same time I say anything.
You're silly.
Welcome to. Mom! You're the one that's doing it, silly! You're gonna have to take him.
Try again.
Hi, friends.
Being too cute.
Hi, friends. How am I supposed to do this? You're gonna have to take him. You really will. Because I gotta get to like my next phrase of what I'm gonna say. Please.
I've tried, written down the words to say. It is time. I've been